Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this simple but tricky question many fails to solve, but you have already solved this. Then go in the comment and comment your right answer. I will give them heart. Okay. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS. What we have 7 plus 2 parenthesis 5 minus 2 the whole square. First we will this parenthesis part. Okay. So what we have 5 plus 2 into 5 minus 2 that is equal to 3 square. Now the next step will be exponential part 7 plus 2 into 3 square. So 3 square that means 3 into 3 that is 3 9. Okay, so 9. 7 plus 9 to 2 that is 18, and when we add 18 plus 7 which gives result 25. So 25 is the right answer. And if you want more maths question like this, then subscribe our channel and must check out best books in the description. Thanks for watching.